In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the financial year in Zoho Invoice. If you've ever found yourself needing to adjust your financial year settings, perhaps because of changing requirements, or to better align with your organization's financial reporting calendar, this guide is here to help. Let's take this step by step. First, you want to navigate to the main dashboard of Zoho Invoice. It's typically your starting point whenever you need to make changes to organizational settings. From here, turn your attention to the top right corner where you will see a gear icon. This is the key to accessing all of your settings. Go ahead and click on it. By doing this, you'll open up the Settings menu where you have various options to manage different aspects of your account. Now, within this Settings menu, you'll want to look for Organization Profile. This is where you can view and update your organizational details, and also where you can change the fiscal year. Click on Organization Profile to proceed to the next step. Once you're in the Organization Profile section, scroll down a bit to find the Fiscal Year dropdown. This dropdown menu is essentially your control panel for setting the fiscal year. Here, you can select the fiscal year range that suits your business structure. For example, if your company operates on an April to March cycle, you can select that specific range directly from this menu. It's crucial to align this with your actual financial year to ensure that all your reports and data match your accounting practices. With the fiscal year range selected, you will see another option labeled Start Date. This lets you choose the exact starting day of the month for your fiscal year. For instance, if your fiscal period begins on the 1st of April, you would select April 1st as your start date. Being precise here is important for the accuracy of your financial documentation and reporting within Zoho Invoice. Before finalizing everything, take a moment to review your settings. The newly configured period will be displayed just below the dropdowns. Double-check to make sure that this period accurately reflects your desired fiscal year settings. It's always a good idea to verify your selections to avoid any discrepancies in your future reports. Once you're confident that all the information is correct, you can continue by clicking the Save button. This action will apply the changes to your settings, updating your organization's financial reporting timeline within the system. Making such changes ensures that Zoho Invoice displays your fiscal data in a way that aligns perfectly with your organization's needs, helping you maintain clarity and consistency in your financial overview. It's a simple but essential adjustment that can make your accounting process smoother and more efficient. Thank you for following along, and I hope you find this setup straightforward and beneficial.